Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I changed this faded black plastic trim to being looking almost new again. Yes, this is a 2005 Honda Accord, and all the plastic trims are looking gray, almost the same color as the vehicle. And so this one here is the bottom one. So I have to restore both of them. There are many different ways to do that, but this method is mine. There are many different products out there that anyone can use to restore a faded plastic trims on their vehicle. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use this black primer here because the trim is black. Use that, and then use a clear coat. But before I use the clear coat, after applying the black primer, I have a 800 sanding grit I'm going to use. You can use a higher number if you want to, but I'm using the 800. And this the paper here we tape is just to cover the areas that I do not want to get the paint or the primer on. Okay, but you can use other products if you want to do so. Wait about 3 minutes because it's really hot out here. This is number 2 and the final coat. I don't need 3. Just apply it lightly. I'm not going to scrub it hard, just enough to remove the imperfection, then apply the clear coat. This is before I painted the trim. All right, you see how ugly it was, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This is after. You see the difference? Yeah, it stands out. It looks pretty. I'm using a cheap camera, so you don't really see all the perfection, but it is 100% better than it was before. All right. Again, thanks for watching, and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Support this channel. Thank you.